Hi, I'm Sandy Schreck for Lembush Roses, and today we want to look at one of our featured items on sale. We have these small galvanized containers. They're about 4 inches tall, but we're just going to look at some of the options that you can do. So you know how at the end of the table you have a bucket full of little scraps, or one piece of this or one piece of that. You may have taken some flowers off different stems and have a couple side shoots left. So we want to think about putting a small container in front of everybody at the beginning of every day. And so at the end of the day, or once you have a little pile up of scraps, I want you to make a little arrangement to put in your cooler. And so these are really ways that we can make money in the floral industry and have options, a plan to use up some of those little scraps. So we're just going to take a look and make a little arrangement here. So here you can see one of the side shoots from a hydrangea. I'm going to come in and I recessed my foam a little bit. This little galvanized pot has a scalloped edge, which is a great little detail. They work really great for arrangements as well as plants. So here you can see I have one of the caladium plants in one of the featured in the pink. So I have it in pink and blue. I also have it in a white and a galvanized. So these are on special right now and are a great value item that you'll be able to utilize in your stores and really kind of get used to training your designers to make sure that rather than put that oddball bucket back in the cooler at the end of the day, that we take some of these scraps and just make a little finale arrangement at the end of each day and make some money on some of these little scraps versus putting them in the cooler and throwing them away on Friday. You know how that is. So just really doing little groupings of some of these textural pieces so it can be onesie twosies very easily. A little bit of grouping some wheat. So I'm making sure I get nice deep insertions in here. I always believe that the success of your flower shop is very, very dependent on the depth of your insertions. So as we come in, I'm making sure that I have my insertions going all the way down into the bottom of that container. So you can see how we're coming in and then just using our fingers to feed that flower right in. So there you can see just a simple, easy little design that you'll be able to feature in your cooler. And rather than put that bucket of miscellaneous flowers back in your cooler, make sure and take those little take with containers that you can use for your customers. So